Hi, good morning. It's Paul here. It is Wednesday morning, April 10th, 2019, and let's see what's happening with the greater Las Vegas real estate market. We've got 2 days to go through. We last talked on Monday. Whoops. Get these lined up properly. It's a 1930 house there, back there a little bit. I just got a little confused there. Okay, so today there's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo over on O'Banion. No pictures on it. $119,900. Let's see where O'Banion is. Decatur and Oakey. Okay. That's pretty nice. Okay. Too bad we don't have any pictures to look at. So then we go down to Bronze River here. It's a single family home, 3,546 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, and a pool. Built in 07. See what that looks like. Oh, nice house. Yeah, very nice. Good photography, nice and clean. Do have tile counters in the bathroom. Tile around the tub here. Okay, not a big backyard, but a nice little pool there. I'm just crammed back there, isn't it? Oh well, at least it has one. Bronze River, where are we here? Fort Apache and West Elkhorn. Okay, way up north. There it is, way up there. Okay. Then yesterday, Centurion Court, $97,000, 724 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath condo. Okay, that's that. And where are we here? Boulder Highway. Okay, right over there on Whitney Ranch. Good deal. Okay, so let's go to the next page here. Well, a lot of stuff going on. Okay, 3.8 million in round figures, 6,746 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 4-car garage, and a pool, built in 2006. Wow. Oh, right on the edge of something there. Nice curb appeal. Wow. Fancy house. Yep. Very nice. Oh, it's even got the elevator there. Don't like the carpeting, but some people do. Yeah, it looks a little dated, but you know, some people like that. Big closet. Oh, Lake Las Vegas looks like. Okay. Nice views. It's pretty full of clutter. Tidy clutter, but still clutter. Looks very busy. Nice laundry room. Okay, nice pool. And nice views from this place. Okay, and like I said, that's out in Lake Las Vegas. Quite a ways from the actual water too. Okay. Okay, and then we have on Monday, just to make sure we covered everything, single family home. Well, that's out of the area. Okay, I think we looked at that on Monday. Oh, nice mobile home here. A little single wide. Bill Collins. Interesting. $85,000. Sunrise Manor. Okay. Let's go to the square feet. I mean 2,000. 2,088,000. Single family home, almost 4,900 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, pool, and spa. Built in '93. Oh, a nice little single level home here. Look at all that vast lawn. And a pool in the back. Very super clean. Nice backyard too. Very, very clean house. Big pool. Where is this? $2 million. Built in '93. Edmond Tenaya. Okay, right in the middle of the area over there. Wow. Interesting. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's go back to here. Under contract we have what, 15, 11, 12, 525 in escrow, with 297 sold in the last few days. So we will just straighten these out. On the 10th, we've got today's reporting 705 for a single family home, 2,700 square feet. Okay. Casita. Nice little house. Big garage. Okay, there's another garage door opener, so that's the main garage, and they didn't drive on this one, it looks like. Okay. We're on Clear Crossing, 705,000 for that. 2001 built. Okay, it's Anthem Country Club. Okay, well, that's good. Then we have Mount McKinley, 62.5. Mobile home here. It's only on the market for 4 days, sold right away. Off of Lake Mead there. That's good. And then all these are from yesterday. Okay. Quinto, 4.6 million, 6,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bath, built in 54. Went from active to sold. Interesting. Very contemporary, all the bells and whistles. Elevator. I wonder if this is a model home or something. It's got a lot of doodads in it. I didn't see a pool there. Yeah, there is a pool. Alta Rancho. Okay. But 1954 it was built. Means it was completely rebuilt. What's this say?
Hello.
Hello.